In the previous video, we saw how words can have adverse effects like atom bomb. In this video, we'll see how it can impact you, your career, and how to save ourselves getting into trouble. To understand why using the word in a context is crucial, we are going to take 3 words and discuss them one by one. If you are working professional, stay until the third word is discussed, where we will share how a misunderstood word by your boss can bring you adverse impact and how not to get there. So, the first word is critical. Critical has 2 meanings. One is to evaluate and the other is urgent. Consider these 2 sentences. She gave a critical review of the proposal. Here, critical means a detailed evaluation. Second, the patient is in critical condition. In this context, critical means urgent and life-threatening. Imagine what could happen if the medical staff took the critical word as an evaluative in the context and thought the patient needed to undergo a few evaluations and did not need immediate attention or procedure. How catastrophic would the situation become? It could become life-threatening for the patient, right? The second exciting example is the word date. It can refer to a special day on the calendar, a social or romantic appointment. For example, they went on a date last night. Here, we are referring to a time out for dinner. A couple planned to spend time together alone. Another example, I had dates for breakfast. A type of fruit. Third word is fine. That means satisfactory or acceptable. Imagine your boss asks you, how is the project going on? And you respond as the project is fine. Here you meant that the project was good or on track. However, your boss understood that the project was okay. Implying mediocrity, he interpreted it as having issues. If the same is not clarified, your boss may perceive you as complacent or not striving for excellence, leading to disappointment or a negative impression of your performance. So now you understand why grasping the context of words is crucial. Misunderstandings can have serious consequences. So, how to avoid? Be precise, be specific, and provide additional context if the need be. For example, in the third example, you could answer, the project is progressing well and we are on track to meet our goals. This way, you are being clear about your intended meaning. If you want to add more detail, then you may say, there are few minor issues, but overall the project is in good shape. So now, you know that using the right word in a context is imperative. By being specific and clear, you can ensure your message is understood as intended, preventing any negative repercussions. Having understood the challenge people go through, we create vocabulary video where we share the words meaning in various contexts. So you could use the word appropriately. So listen to them and share your feedback. Your feedback will help us improve and share more meaningful content that will benefit you. Before you close, I would like you to share your feedback on this video as well. You can practice and share how you use a word in various contexts. So all of us learn from each other. So now is the time for me to say goodbye. And I'll meet you next time. Until then, stay tuned for our next video. Do like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel for more insights. See you in my next video.